In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain name on GoDaddy, providing a live walkthrough to guide you through this process. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to GoDaddy's website. Once you're there, at the top of the homepage, you'll find a menu option labeled Domains. Click on this to get started. After clicking Domains, look for the Search for Domain Names option. Click on it and it will direct you to a search bar where you can input the domain name you're interested in. Think carefully about your choice here. A domain name is a crucial part of your online identity, so it should be memorable and reflective of your brand or personal interest. Once you've settled on a domain name you want to buy, type it into the search bar and hit Search Domains. GoDaddy will check if your desired domain name is available. If it is, you'll see a message indicating that your preferred domain name is available. You'll also find a list of alternatives in case the name you wanted was taken. If your first choice is available, click on Select next to the domain to add it to your cart. Or, if you prefer, you can choose from the alternative options listed, then click on Add to Cart. After adding your domain to the cart, GoDaddy might offer additional services and upsells like privacy protection or web hosting. Choose the ones you need or skip them if you're not interested. Next, you will see an option to Continue. Click this to proceed to the next step where you'll review your order. Double check to make sure you have everything you want and verify the domain name is exactly as you intended. Once satisfied, click Continue to Cart. You'll then be directed to GoDaddy's checkout page. Here, you'll have options for payment, such as using your PayPal account or providing credit card details. After selecting your preferred payment method, proceed to complete the transaction by following the prompts on the screen. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have successfully purchased a domain name on GoDaddy. Keep a copy of your order confirmation for your records, and remember that while your domain name is now yours, you'll need to renew it periodically to maintain ownership. Also, pay attention to any emails from GoDaddy regarding verification and settings for your new domain. If needed, GoDaddy support is always available for any questions or assistance. Thank you for watching this video on buying a domain name through GoDaddy. I hope you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you next time.